Mention. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 15.
15.
I've taken consent from the,
Listen. You are for the petitioner side.
yes,
You want adjournment.
adjournment.
The learned counsel, Mr.
R. Koyu.
R.
Koyu.
Koyu. Appearing for the petitioner prays for an adjournment and also submits that he has informed the other side. The matter stands adjourned accordingly. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
At least after 2 weeks.
Lordship, this interim,
The interim order pastor will continue until.
much of it.
Item
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, this is a pre-arrest bail application filed by the applicant, my lord.
What is the offense?
My lord, offense is 468, forgery for the purpose of cheating, and 471 is bailable, my lord. And
Where is the FIR?
my lord, there is no such FIR as such, my lord. I'm concerned with the notice which is being issued to me, my lord, for to join into investigation. Actually, my lord, that is in annexure number 10, my lord. Annexure number 1, page number 10. Page number 10, my lord. If my lord is having. My lord, here, my lord, I have been directed to join the investigation on 20th of this month, my lord.
The diary will be required. Without the case diary, there is nothing here.
my lord, may I please, my lord?
Hmm.
It seems, my lord, it is a PCA case, my lord. Since section 13 PCA has been registered against this person, my lord. And I've taken instructions, my lord. It seems there was an illegal appointments of the nurse, my lord.
Okay.
GNM nurse. So, but then I'm not well acquainted with the facts because this the FIR is also not here, my lord. So may I humbly pray, my lord, CD will be called for, my lord.
Yes.
My
Until
lord,
then, my lord.
My lord, on 20th of this month, my lord, I was supposed to appear, my lord. However, my lord, due to some domestic reason, I could not appear on 20th of this month. But my lord, I have submitted one application, my lord, through WT message that I will appear on 24th of this month, my lord. On
You can appear.
yes, my lord. And my lord, till 20.
I will need the CD for consideration of your bail prayer.
My lord.
My lord, till perusal of the CD, my lord, interim protection will be
No
given.
interim can be given because there is nothing in this record. Why he is apprehending arrest? There is nothing here.
Well, however, my lord, section 13 will not applicable to me, my lord, because I'm not a government servant, my lord.
Look,
Well, I'm concerned with the section 468, my lord.
that is your submission. I have no other materials which before me. How can I appreciate this bail application? There is nothing here.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, without protection, if I join investigation, my lord, I may face difficulty, my lord. So till 14 only, 20.
Court cannot help you. Without going through the case day, court cannot help you. I will call the case day when it will come. Heard the learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
El Kurdu, my lord.
El Kudu.
My lord, my humble submission is, my lord, on 24, I will be appearing before the investigation authority, my lord, on 24.
I am concerned with this bail application only.
My lord.
Heard Mr. Opada, the learned special public prosecutor. Call for the case day when it will come.
5th, my lord.
5th.
5th, my lord.
5th of December. Okay, 5th of December.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 2. Yes.
If I may, my lord. My lord, this application under section 482 is challenging the 2 orders passed by the learned Judicial Magistrate First Class, UPI, Lordship, in maintenance case number 1 of 2020. Our basic grievance is that, my lord, that although the maintenance was allowed to proceed,
Hmm.
our interim, this was granted, was cancelled by the order dated 27/02/2020. If I may read the relevant portion, my lord, regarding the interim order, the cancellation order. Lord.
Where is the order?
Order is at page, it starts at page number 14, my lord, annexure 1. The
14.
operative portion being page number 15, the third para. From the second para, if I may read, my lord.
You are for a petitioner.
I'm for a petitioner, lordship. My maintenance has been cancelled.
Your maintenance has been cancelled.
The interim maintenance of 8,000 rupees that was granted to me was cancelled by this impugn order, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, the reason being that after the institution of this maintenance case,
Hmm.
the respondent had obtained a decree of restitution of conjugal rights.
Hmm.
Although this decree was passed ex parte and it was filed after the maintenance proceeding had been initiated in the learned trial court, my lord.
Hmm.
So the learned trial court were of the view that once a decree of restitution of conjugal rights is obtained, then the applicant would be barred. So accordingly, the interim maintenance is cancelled because the petitioner did not join the company of the respondent. Your Honor.
All right. I will give you interim relief. Heard Mr.
Jeeta, lordship.
Jeeta Do. Appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice to the sole respondent. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered posted agent. Para. I have heard the learned counsel for the petitioner in the matter of a prayer for interim order. Para. Here in this case, the petitioner filed a petition under section 125 CRPC against the respondent for seeking monthly maintenance. The court below granted an interim order. Thereafter, the respondent procured a decree for restitution of conjugal rights. Therefore, the court below cancelled the interim maintenance earlier granted by it. Para. I am of the considered opinion at this stage, the petitioner deserves to be given an interim order. How much was the interim?
8,000, my lord.
The respondent is directed to continue to pay rupees 8,000 per month to the petitioner. Least up to 4 weeks.
My lord, we have also prayed for stay of proceedings.
It is also directed that the further proceeding of, what is the case number?
Maintenance case number 1 of 2020.
Maintenance case number 1 of
2020. 2020. my lord.
2020,
Yes, ma'am.
pending in the court of
JMFC UPR, learned JMFC UPR.
JMFC UPR,
Yes,
shall remain stayed.
much of it.
Yes,
If I may, lordship, the FIR is page number, it starts from page number 9. The main body is at page number 12, lordship. Lordship, this is a case wherein the wife had filed an FIR against the husband. This is a joint petition based on a settlement, my lord. The allegations were of domestic violence, and accordingly, the case was registered under section 498A and 323, my lord.
this is a joint petition.
Joint petition, my lord. Husband and wife, my lord. We have 2 children, so for the future of our children as well as our marital life, we have arrived upon a settlement, and we are before this honorable court, my
I
lord.
will take it up on 29.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lease this matter on 29 November.
Lordship, our
Obliged.
interim, if maybe we can consider, lordship. Interim, We have
Okay, 29, it will be
taken.
disposed of.
Much better.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4. Yes,
My lord, this is joint application.
joint application.
Yes, joint application for setting aside of FIR number 05/2018.
Okay, on 29. 29, I will take it up. List is matter on 29 November.
Obliged.
May I please, ma'am.
Yes,
My lord, this is also a joint petition.
joint petition.
Yes, my lord.
If it is a joint petition, I will take it up on 29,
My lord,
28. I will take it up on 28.
yes, my lord, one difficulty here is that, my lord, otherwise, my lord, here the petitioner 1 and 2, my lord, they are construction companies, my lord. They had never lodged the police complaint, my lord. In fact, he had, the petitioner number 1, he had replied to the letter of the deputy commissioner, Dapurjo, that why there was a delay in the construction of the wall. And the deputy commissioner forwarded to the police station and the police registered the case, my lord. We had never even approached the police station, my lord.
Okay, on 28.
So, my lord, one problem here is that, my lord, this petitioner number 1 is a 73 years old person, my lord, and having heart issues, my lord. And on 28, my lord, the trial is going on, my lord. On the 20,
I will stay the proceeding.
yes, my lord, that may be.
List this matter on 28 November. Till then, the further proceeding of what is the case number?
GR number, my lord, 5 of 2021, pending before
Pending in the court of
Chief Judicial Minister Dapurjo.
the judicial remain stay
Obliged.
on 28. Yes,
My lord, this is also a joint petition, my lord, for quashing, my lord.
this is also a joint petition.
Yes, my lord. My lord, offense involved with section 8 of the Foxco, my lord.
In survey team, all members are pointing against this 4 accused. This 4 accused being led by this petitioner in item number 7, who is a head GB of the survey area. And from the record, it also reveals that there was some issue regarding land. And the hydropower project was allotted to the complainant. And before their settlement regarding the pertaining to land this issue, they started surveying the area. So these local people, this petitioner, were interrupted them and dismantled some of the instrument of the project and carried away some other accessories also with them. And all out of 9 members in survey team, 4 were local unemployed youth. 5 were employees of the company.
Okay.
And out of again 9, 4 were belongs to same clan of this petitioner, who also mentioned the name of this petitioner who were involved in the incident. So, from FSC cases there, and they also admitted in the 161 statement. But root cause is that there was no settlement of the land issue.
Okay.
Investigation almost done.
Lordship, this is purely for land acquisition case. As part of public notice dated 24/0/23 issued by the Deputy Commissioner. So there was dispute of the land acquisition. Since developer, they were doing illegally prior to the land acquisition, they were doing activity. So applicant is the head Ganbura of the place. So he went there and request them not to do activity unless land acquisition is done. Therefore, he seized, because the village authority, they have power of seizing any illegal intruder in their territory. So they seized the equipments, just one equipment, and that was deposited to the concerned PS and informed to the circle officer that I seized some materials, and accordingly along with filed on same day, that is on 11, along with our FIR. But this was made falsely implicated as a 392 robbery. Robbery was not done at all. Rest section are available, Your Honor. Lordship, so already a statement has been given. Investigation has already almost completed. Since this is a purely a civil nature case, dispute of the land, there is no intention motive to rob any materials from the company. Therefore, Lordship, this is a big case to be the obsolete this interim order passed on 10th. Since applicant is also the head Gonbra, the village authority, he has power as per he acted on as part of power enshrined on in Assam Frontier Regulation Act 1945. Was it? So therefore, there is no robbery at all. Robbery doesn't attract in this case, Your Lordship. This all allegation, this mere allegation that just to counter our FIR. We file FIR on 11, they file on FIR on 12, and their FIR registered on 16. Lordship.
Okay, all right. What is your name?
Arnabam.
Hard Mr. Arnabam, appearing for the petitioner. Hard Mr. Jitado.
Jitado.
Jitado, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Para. This is an application under section 438 of the CRPC. In respect of SGL PS case number 22 of 2023 under sections 427, 392 and 506 of the Indian Penal Code. Para. The informant is the owner of a company which was entrusted with some contracts in respect of construction of a power plant. The petitioner had quarrel with the employee of the informant. It is alleged that the petitioner allegedly used, it is alleged that the petitioner used sharp weapons to cause damage to some instruments used at the construction site. Para. By virtue of an interim order, the petitioner has already appeared before the investigating officer and has cooperated with the police investigation. Since the petitioner has cooperated with the police investigation, he does not deserve to be detained in custody. Therefore, the bail application of the petitioner Nabam Hania is allowed. The interim order granted to the petitioner is made absolute. The case there shall be returned.
Lordship.
The bail application stands disposal.
Lordship.
Similar matter, 7 to 10,
7 to 10.
7 to 10.
arising out of same FIR.
So 7 to 10 similar.
Yes, arising out
Same
of
police station, same case. Same order.
That's it. Seven to 10. Same matter.
Yes,
They have appeared before I.
yes, 4 accused and they move separate AV and separate rebel.
Oh. 7 to 10, 1, you write. This is the common order for these 3 items, right? This is a common order for these 3 items, as all these bail applications have arisen out of the same FIR. and the police case. Para, heard Mr. R. Nabam, appearing for the petitioners. Heard Mr. G. Tado, the learned additional PP for the state of Assam. Para. These petitioners allegedly had a quarrel at a construction site which was set up for construction of a power plant. It is alleged that they had caused damage to some construction equipments. Well, all these petitioners have appeared before the investigating officer and have cooperated with the police investigation. Therefore, they do not deserve to be detained in custody. The bail application of the petitioners Nabam Tadap. What is the next name?
Next is 79, Nabam Kaya,
No, Tana
Analu,
Tanalug, 80,
and
Navamikaya.
Nabam Kaya.
Nabam Aya are allowed. The interim bail orders granted to these petitioners are made absolute.
Your Lordship, there is a threatening of dire consequences. Strict condition may be imposed.
The petitioners are directed to cooperate with the police investigation as and when required. But that will be sufficient.
Yes, oblige, Your Lordship.
Deeply
The
obliged.
bail applications are disposed of.
Meet please, Your Lordship. Lordship, 439 application, my lord. I was arrested on 25th of September. The CD was called for today, my lord.
Service report.
Your Lordship, at the outset, I would like to apprise this, Your Lordship, that Your Lordship, we have not received the CD yet, Your Lordship.
You have not received the
Yes,
CD?
yes, Your Lordship.
CD will be required.
My lord, it's Itanagar police station, my lord. Could it be taken up tomorrow then, my lord?
Tomorrow, Your Lordship, not, maybe on Tuesday, Your Lordship, not possible. Your Lordship.
Next Tuesday, tomorrow this court will not sit.
Oh,
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Maybe on Tuesday, Your Lordship.
okay. Then, my lord,
Okay, you can have it on 28, 29, 30.
Yes, Your Lordship.
my lord, I just,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 2, implement as a, yes, as a pro bono counsel.
Okay, all right.
Yes, Your Lordship. On 28th, Your Lordship, maybe on 28 or 29.
28, it will come. Whether you will be able to come on.
my lord, that is what I was checking, my lord. 20,
It will be better you come on next month.
my lord. My lord, could it be then, my lord, on,
You will have to come from Guwahati.
my lord? Could it be on the 8th December? 7th or 8th December?
7th of December.
7th,
Heard Mr.
8th
P.D.
December.
Nair. Huh?
8th December.
8 December. Heard Mr. P.D. Nair appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. T. Ete, the learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1. Heard MS
El Lombu,
Uh,
correspondent number 2, Lordship.
appearing for the respondent number 2. CD has not been received. So release the matter again on 8 December.
Or my lord, 7th, my lord.
7th.
7th.
On 7th
My
December.
7th. Deep.
My lords, here two bail application. Bail application number 118-23 and 119-23. Item number
11, 12 and 13.
yes, 12 and 13 both are same.
The CD called for.
CD already called today is
CD not received. We have taken step through WT message, but
When it will come?
actually it is just the WPS Itanagar, Your Lordship.
Itanagar.
Yes, very near.
But tomorrow and day after tomorrow, this court will not sit. You can have it on 28, 29, 30. On any day.
yes, on Tuesday.
Your Honor, actually accused spent already 2 months,
Hmm.
2 months, 27 days. Almost mandatory period is almost yet over. And section is only 380 and this honorable court already grant.
And, mandatory period will over when?
No, actually, this actually, Your Honor, section is 380.
Hmm.
In the main affair, section is 380.
After that, police also give two section 411 and 413.
Okay, all right. When the mandatory period will be over?
This 2026.
No. Section offense involved is 413 also, which is punishable up to life.
Oh, it's okay.
No, actually, Your Honor,
Okay, let the city come then.
Yes.
Item number 12 and 13,
29.
same order.
29.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr.
Disora, Domin Sora,
Disona,
Disora,
Disoga,
Sora, SORA.
appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. G. Tado, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. CD is not yet received. So list the matter again on when?
29.
29, on 29.
Oblige.
Maybe possible, Your Honor, my Lord, 27.
27 is a
It's a
holiday.
holiday.
20.
27 is a holiday.
Yes, my Lord.
On 28, 28,
28.
28.
28.
Okay.
Because it is case of Naharlagan PS, just
Ah.
not even 5 kilometers.
Yes. Okay, all right. On
Oblige.
28 it will come.
28.
Okay.
Your Lordship, service in respect of respondent number 3 is not completed yet, Your Lordship.
Not
As
yet
per-
complete.
Yes, office note, as per the office note. 4 completed, 3.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. T. Ete. The learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This is the office note,
Last, Your Lordship,
27.
may I assist? Your
9/8. 9/8 is 23 is the last office note.
Is there in the first page of the office note, last one, Your Lordship? Last
Last one.
page, office note.
21/11. Service report in respect of respondent number 3 not yet received. Seen the office note dated 21/11/2023. Await for the service report in respect of respondent number 3.
Yes,
List after 2 weeks,
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes. Oblige, sir.
Item number 16.
16. Yeah. May I please, ma'am? This is an application under section 482 CRPC. And the FIR. In the
Notice
last,
served or not? Notice?
my lord, yeah, my lord, from the order sheet is within the steps not taken.
Steps, but the office note says that the steps not taken up upon respondent number 2 and 3.
Yes, my lord, I've instructed the clerk, but there has been some miscommunication.
Okay. Heard Mr. What is your name?
HK Jama.
Appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. T. Ete, the learned counsel representing the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Seen the office note dated 20/11/2023. The petitioner is directed to take steps accordingly. List up to 4 weeks.
My lord, I have been praying for interim in this
It will be
matter.
considered on the next date.
Next,
On the next date, it will be considered.
oblige, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Item number 17.
Your lordship, in this matter, we have already taken steps.
Service is awaiting in respect of respondent number 2 to 16. Notice not yet returned. You want to wait? You want to wait again or take fresh steps?
Sir, we'll wait, sir.
Hmm?
We will wait, sir.
You want to wait?
Sir.
Okay, heard the learned counsel, mister, what is your name?
E Payang, your lordship.
E Paying.
E Payang, yes, your lordship.
T,
Your lordship.
T Paying.
Your lordship. E.
Oh, E Paying.
Yes, your lordship.
Appearing for the petitioner, heard Mr. G Tado, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Seen the office note dated 2011-2023. Await for the service report in respect of respondents 2 to 16, least after 4 weeks.
Sir, your lordship, 2 weeks, it's possible.
2 weeks. So
2 weeks, your lordship.
Least after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
Okay.
My lord, I have been engaged by the respondent number 5 in this case. By this morning
Number
only.
5, you're appealing.
Yes, my lord.
That's
My
good.
lord, I will find my Wakala number within 1 week.
Okay. But the petitioner, who is the petitioner? You are for the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard the learned counsel, mister, what is your name?
T Siga.
T Siga.
T Siga.
Siga.
Yes, sir.
Appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. G Tado, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Heard Mr. What is your name? O Modi. O Modi. Appearing for the respondent number 5. Mr. Modi submits that he needs some time to file his wakalat nama. The prayer is allowed. When he will file? Next week? Yes. List next week.
Obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, the matter is here for consideration of my interim prayer, my lord. This case, my lord, under section 482, my lord. My lord, challenging here, my lord, the causing of the, my lord, second FIR and the filing of the charge sheet. My lord knows very well, my lord, that the settled proposition of law is, my lord, that second FIR cannot be registered, my lord. The statement made in the second, it's at the most, it is 161 statement. Here what happened, my lord, incident happened in the sense, my lord, that I was driving my vehicle. In the midnight, due to fog and rain, my lord, I dashed a Alto car. So, in that process, my lord, while dashing the Alto car, there was one motorcycle also. So, that also got some this thing, my lord. Then thereafter, what happened? The owner of the bike lodged the FIR against me. On the basis of that, the owner of the bike specifically mentioned that I first hit the Alto car. Thereafter, in the same transaction, same process, my bike was also hit. So, case was registered, my lord. Investigation under. Now, after almost, my lord, 1 month, again the owner of the Alto car, he lodged another second FIR. So, the same incident.
The same is.
And my lord, very interesting. On the basis of second FIR, charge sheet has been filed.
Okay.
Now,
what happened to the first FIR?
First FIR is still under investigation.
It is still under investigation.
So my case is, my lord, that on the basis of the second FIR, charge sheet cannot be filed and trial cannot be, my lord.
Okay, I will state the proceeding.
My lord.
Heard Mr. R. Sonar, appearing for the petitioner.
My lord,
Yes. You are
I'm appearing for the private respondent, respondent number 2, complainant,
complainant. Heard Mr.
T Omo.
T. Omo, appearing for the respondent number 2. Who is for the state? Ete. Heard Mr. T. Ete, appearing for the heard Mr. T. Ete, the learned additional public prosecutor, appearing for the respondent number 1. The scanned copy of the LCR already received. List for hearing after 3 weeks. Till then, the further proceeding of what is the case number?
GR case number, my lord, 15 of 2023.
GR case number 15.
15 of 2023.
Pending in the court of
Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate 0, my lord.
shall mainstay.
My lord.
List after 3 weeks.
Your lordship,
Much more.
on last occasion, we have been instructed to Your Lordship, apprised this court regarding the status of the first FIR, Your Lordship. That is not with us today, Your Lordship. On the next date, we'll apprise the
On
court.
the next date you give it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Much
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is that Assam Arunachal border dispute matter, my lord. I was working as a circle officer at that point of time, but I was overseeing the law and order in an eviction proceeding. My lord, this FIR came to be lodged. My lord, it was moved in the principal seat. Stay was granted. It has come to this bench for the first time. My lord, probably notice will again have to be issued on the.
Oh, yes.
Respond number 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3.
Yes, Your Lordship. Private respondent who has lodged the complaint.
Okay.
4 to 8 are the Assam government officials. State of Assam is 4, my lord. And
Heard Mr. P. D. Nair, appearing for a petitioner. Heard Mr. T. Ate. You'll have an additional public prosecutor for a state of Arunachal project. 2, 3, who will represent Assam?
Assam, there is no standing council or anyone here, my lord. So notice has to go, my lord.
Your Lordship, I am for 1.
You're for 1.
I am for 1 and 2, 3 is private respondent. 4 to 8 is from Assam, state of Assam.
Issue notice to the respondents 2 to 8.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon them by registered posted AD. And the proceeding is already stayed.
Already stayed by the order dated 17/10/23, my lord. That may be continued, my lord.
The earlier stay order regarding the related proceedings shall continue.
My lord.
At least after 4 weeks.
Lord,
Yes,
may I
my lord.
pray for a date, my lord? In January, my lord.
Okay, you suggest
22nd January, my lord.
22nd January.
My lord, my lord. Deeply.
Okay,
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
well, it's finished.